Electric hand mixers are useful kitchen tools, but they occupy space, require maintenance and are not required often in cooking certain cuisines of food. In this video, we'll learn how to make a DIY hand mixer with a few items you possibly already possess. To start with, you will need a whisk or a fork, a household drill, preferably cordless, and something to whip. Insert the tool where you would normally insert a drilling or screw driving bit, and tighten the chuck. Use a low torque setting for the clutch. Please wear protective eyewear for your own safety. Dip the tool into the liquid at an angle, and depress the trigger mildly. When you are confident that there is no splatter, depress the trigger fully. This method takes a long time, but it sure saves a lot of mechanical effort. For more help videos for dishwashers, washing machines, tumble dryers and vacuum cleaners, visit www.youtube.com/c/Tic Tech Toe.